Hello student, today I want to teach a scientific topic that is water cycle with the help of animation. Water cycle have no starting and ending point. Still I want to start with evaporation step. In evaporation, when sun rays fall on the water due to heat, water start evaporate. To show this step using Scratch language. First we will open the mBlock app, then click on the plus sign. First we will delete the panda sprite, then choose the background, go to nature section. I want to choose lake 1 as a background. There is requirement is some modification in this background, so click on the plus pen. There sun is already present, so first we will select this sun and delete this. And then save it. Now click on this plus sign. Add a sun sprite here. Now start coding. We want that initially sun sprite is not present on the backdrop. Whenever we click on flag, first step should be our backdrop should be switched toward lake 1. Then go to look section. There is a command switch backdrop to. Choose here backdrop is lake 1. And also I want that initially sun should not be present on the screen. Use hide command for this. I want to add here a sound effect. To adding the sound effect, go to this plus sign, that is extension sign. Add this block. First download and then add this block here. Then drag this command speak hello. Replace hello with when sunshine. When this sound is occur, sun should be show on the screen. Also I want to display this text on the screen. Use think command here. Right here when sun shine. For 2 seconds. When this step is occur, I want to broadcast a message, that is evaporation. Then go to control section. No, go to event section. Broadcast message. Drag this command and put under think command. Type a new message here. That is evaporation. And then save it. Check this code. Fine. Also reduce the size of the sun. Go to look section. Set size 100%. Replace 100 with 90%. And then again run. Fine. Now evaporation should be start, and I want to show it by animation. For this I have required a sprite that represent the water bubble. So click on the plus sign, go to paint section, then click on plus sign, choose the circle, use this blue color, light blue, and then OK. And outer boundary, no color. And design a circle here, small circle. This circle represents a water bubble, and then save it. Also decide the range from which the bubble should be water gas should be evaporate. Let us consider the x value is uh, look at here, this one or this one value. Look at not this value. X is minus 219 and y is 49. Minus 219 and y is minus 49. And at that time x value have 81, minus 81. That means x has range minus 2192 to minus 81, and y has range from minus 36 to minus 36 to minus 118. Okay, note this range. Now start coding. Our first step, When flag click, you know that whenever we click on the flag, this sprite should not be present here. So go to look section, hide this sprite. This sprite should be shown whenever I receive a message evaporation. Then go to event section. When I receive a message evaporation, there is requirement that this sprite should generate the clone itself. For this, go to control section, use a command repeat 10. Put this command here. Create clone of myself. Also add here wait for 0.1 second. Okay, you know that we have already measured the x range and y range from which the water gas bubble should be evaporate. So go to motion section. There is a command, go to x axis and y axis. Put here. Go to operator section. Pick random value. X range is minus 219 to minus 81. And y range is from minus 118 to minus 36. And save it. Now repeat 10. I want to take a random number here, 30. Then again go to control section. When I start as a clone, put this command here. Reduce the size of this sprite. Go to look section. Let us consider 40% size and then show this. Then use the forever loop because we want that this water gas bubble should be evaporate and move toward sky. For this, use the forever loop. You know that on the screen at that point the y-axis have range is 180 degree. Put this upper limit of y-axis inside the forever loop. Go to control section and repeat until the water bubble should be moved upward until the value of y-axis should not be greater than reach to 180 degree. Go to motion section, use y position here. Also decide for which speed these water gas bubbles should be moved towards sky. by this one command, change y by 2. I want to fix the speed is 2 and then run the code. Look at the screen. The water bubble is evaporate and collect on the sky. I want to hide this from the screen. For this, go to control section. Use a command here, if then. Go to operator section. You know that the upper limit of y-axis is 180 degree. Go to motion section. If y position is greater than 180 degree, the clone should be delete. Go to control section. There is a delete command. Delete this clone. Put here and again check. Water gases start evaporate and look at the screen and also hide whenever it touch on the edge of the screen. Now I want to add here a speak sound. For this, to add the speak effect here, go to text. Before going this, go to control section, go to event section. Whenever I receive a message, when I evaporation, when I receive evaporation message here, there should be a sound, that is when sun rays fall on water, go to control section, wait for 0.2 second, then again add the speed effect. Water start evaporate. Then again wait for 2 second, 0.2 second. Go to text. Right here, this process is called evaporation. This process is called evaporation. Then again wait for 0.2 second. Text. You know that the rising air take this water bubble toward the sky. Write this here. Rising air take the water vapor into atmosphere. The and then save it. And then after this, the condensation process should be occur in the sky so that a new message should be broadcast, that is condensation. Broadcast a new message condensation. Then save it and run this step.
Wind sunshine. When sun rays fall on water, water start evaporate. This process is called evaporation. Rising air takes the water vapor into atmosphere.
Okay, notice that there is a extra weight add here, so reduce this weight. Then again run.
When sunshine. When sun rays fall on water, water start evaporate. This process is called evaporation. Rising air takes the water vapor into atmosphere.
Okay, fine, and save it. Now the condensation process should be start in the sky. First we will change the name of the sprite with water gas. Change the name of the sprite. Then go to background section. Add a background here. This one background and save it. Now click on the plus sign, go to paint section. Here we create a cloud using the circle. Now save it. You know that, and in the sky the temperature is low as compared to earth's surface, so the condensation process is start. In the condensation process, water vapor in the air change into liquid water, and they are responsible for formation of cloud and start visible on the sky. Same things I want to represent using the scratch programming, and also these clouds should be moved toward the earth surface. Okay, also we have to add here a motion step. First step should be occur here. The sun should not be, this sun should be hide here. To hide this sun, go to sun sprite, add a command here. When I receive the condensation message, this sprite should be hide. Okay, now go to and change their name cloud. Now start coding. Our first command is when flag click, these cloud not showed on the screen, so hide this cloud. Then our second, when I receive the condensation message, our background should be switch. Then go to look section, switch backdrops to forest one. Now also reduce the size. Go to look section, set the size to 50%. Initially the water vapor are present in the sky that are not visible, but slowly these water vapor are converted into liquid water and become a cloud that are visible, start that they become visible. So we will add here a ghost effect that show these process. Set the ghost effect here, go to 100. Initially its value should be 100, that means it not visible on the screen. And also define the position where it should be show. Yes, this one. Let's, this one is the initial position where it should be show. Check the value of x and y. X is 144 and y is 138. Put this value here. Now we want to add here a speak effect. Go to text and add a speak. Replace hello with in the sky, temperature is low as compared to earth surface. hard surface. Again, so condensation process is start. Or I want to display this thing on the screen. Go to look section, there is a thing for 2 seconds. Display this. Due to condensation, clouds are formed. Now again add a speak effect. Before adding the speak, now look at here. Initially we have add a ghost effect is 100%. Now I want to show this cloud. To show the cloud, the ghost effect should be changed to 0. So use a repeat loop here. Repeat 100 times and go to look section. There is a command, change the color effect, replace color with ghost effect with -1. From this loop, the cloud should be start visible slowly on the screen. Now again add the speak effect. In the condensation process, water vapor in the air change into liquid water and they are responsible for they are responsible for formation of cloud. For formation of cloud. And start visible on the screen. In the sky and save it. Now also add a think effect here. Go to look section, think for 2 seconds. Cloud move cloud move towards clouds move toward the earth's surface and save it. Now we want to move the cloud from right corner to left corner. You know that the at left corner the position of cloud should be moved toward from right to left point. Okay, for this add a command here. Go to control section, repeat until
In the sky temperature. In the sky
go to operator section, put the limit of x-axis here, is minus 230, and decide the speed of the cloud is minus 2. Because you know that at that point the y-axis have a limit minus 230 and at here plus 230. Okay, and now broadcast a message that is precipitation. Broadcast a message, new message, that is precipitation. And okay, run this.
When sunshine. When sun rays fall on water, water start evaporate. This process is called evaporation. Rising air takes the water vapor into atmosphere. In the sky temperature is lowest compared to Earth's surface. So condensation process is start. In the condensation process, water vapor in the air change into leaked water. They are responsible for formation of cloud and start visible in the sky.
Fine.